Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nisha from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of CSEI, Subject Civil, topic Causes and Control of Urban Floods. Let us discuss about causes and control of urban floods. Introduction to urban floods. Urban floods are a significant environmental challenge faced by cities worldwide. They can cause extensive damage to infrastructure, homes, and ecosystem. Understanding their cause and control measure is essential for sustainable urban development. We can see the image of urban floods. Definition of urban floods. Urban floods occur when rainwater runoff exceeds the drainage capacity of urban areas. They can result from heavy rainfall, snow melt, or a combination of various factors. The impact of urban flooding can vary greatly depending on the city's topography and infrastructure. Causes of urban flooding. Urbanization leads to increase impervious surface, reducing natural water absorption. Poor drainage system can exacerbate flooding during heavy rainfall events. Climate change is increase the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Causes of urban flooding due to heavy rainfall. India experiences intense monsoon rains that can overwhelm drainage system. The variability in rainfall patterns due to climate change leads to unpredictable flooding events. Urban areas often lack the capacity to manage sudden sewerage of rainwater effectively. Impermeable surface. Cities are characterized by roads, buildings, and other impermeable surface. These surfaces prevent water from being absorbed onto the ground, leading to higher runoff. The lack of green space exacerbates the flooding problem in urban areas. We can see the image of impermeable surface and as well as permeable surface. Control measure improve drainage system and upgrading and expanding drainage infrastructure is vital for effective flood management. Regular maintenance and cleaning of drainage canals can prevent blockage and overflow. Implementing sustainable urban drainage system SUDS can enhance water management in cities. Role of impervious surface. Impervious surface like roads and buildings prevent water from soaking onto the ground. This leads to increased runoff, overwhelming drainage system during storms. The lack of green space further exacerbates the flooding risk in urban areas. Climate change impacts. Climate change is contributing to more intense rainfall events and rising sea levels. Urban areas are particularly vulnerable due to high population density and infrastructure. Adaptation strategies must consider the changing climate to mitigate flooding risks. We can see the image of climate changing. Human activities, deforestation, and land use changes can disturb natural water flow patterns. Construction activity can increase sediment runoff and sedimentation in waterway. Urban sprawl often leads to encroachment of floodplains and wetlands. We can see the image of human activities. Flood control measure. Effective flood control involves a combination of engineering and natural solution. Improved drainage system, retention basins, and impermeable pavements can help. Restoration of wetlands and green space can enhance natural water absorption. Flood control measure, planning and policy. Effective urban planning is essential to mitigate the risk of flooding in cities. Implementation of zoning law can prevent construction in flood prone area. Policies promoting sustainable land use and development can enhance urban resilience. We can see the image of planning and policy. Control measure, urban planning and development. Integrating flood risk assessment into urban planning can mitigate potential impacts. Preserving green space and wetlands within urban areas can enhance natural water absorption. Enforcing a stricter building regulation can reduce the construction of flood prone areas. Technological solution. Use of GIS and remote sensing can improve flood risk mapping and management. Smart draining system equipment with sensor can monitor water level in real time. Flood forecasting model can prove early warning to mitigate potential impacts. Control measure, community engagement and education, raising awareness among residents about flood risk and preparedness is essential. Community involvement in flood management initiatives can lead to more effective solution. Education program can help citizens understand the importance of waste management to prevent drainage blockage. Community involvement. Engaging communities in flood preparedness program increase resilience. Public awareness campaigns can educate citizens on effective response to floods. Community-based drainage maintenance initiatives can enhance local involvement. Conclusion and further direction. Addressing urban flooding in India requires a multi-phased approach and collaboration among stakeholders. Continue investment in infrastructure and sustainable practice is essential for resilience. Further strategies must prioritize climate adaptation to effectively manage urban flooding challenges. Thank you for watching.